Good morning, everybody, and thank you so much, Jayna, for asking this question. From now on, every day I'm going to be putting this Jamboard. It says 3 Wednesday, March 17th, homework help, extra credit. For those of you that ask questions, we'll get extra credit. And for those of you that answer it and show how to do it, we'll get extra credit in here. So that way, hopefully, we could have everybody asking questions and everybody helping each other and learning to teach and all that. So this is the question. It says the U.S. Public debt as of October 2010 was 9.06 times 10 to the 12th power. What was the average U.S. public debt per American if the population in 2010 was 3.08 times 10 to the 8th power people? Round the multiplier to the nearest hundred. The average U.S. public debt per American is 2010 in 2010 was da 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 or da 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 per person. So, nowadays with all this stimulus, we're going to be paying a lot more money. But this one, okay, so your homework was either multiplying or dividing. So this one, what do you think? Is it going to be multiplication or is it going to be division? And what would be the keywords? Okay, so the keyword is here. Yes, the word per. So the word per reminds me of a fraction. So that means I got to divide. So I have to divide these numbers and let me see if I can do it right here. Okay, so it's going to be 9.06 times 10 to the 12th power divided by 3.08 times 10 to the 8th power. And remember, okay, so when you are dividing, all you do is you divide the coefficient. So I'm going to divide 9.06 divided by 3.08. And it says round to the nearest hundredth. So I was going to say 3, but that's the whole number. So let me see. And I don't want to do it in my head. So I'm going to use, the SBAC calculator. Let me see. SBAC calculator, and it's gonna be, what was it, 9.06 9.06 divided by 3.08, and they said to round to the nearest hundredth. So the nearest hundredth, I go 2.94. 4 is on the hundreds place. The next number is a 1, so it's just going to be 2.94. Okay, so I'm going to go back in here. So it's going to be 2.94. Don't forget the decimal. And then what do we do with the exponents? When we're dividing powers, what do we do with these exponents, everybody? Yes, you subtract them. So it'll be times 10 to the 12 minus 8 is 4. So that would be in scientific notation, but they also want it in standard form or how much money. So remember, it's 10 to the 4th power, so I have to move the decimal 4 places to the right. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I just have to add 2 zeros. So in standard notation, it would be 29,400. Oh my gosh, each person has to pay 29,400. That was in 2010. Nowadays, I think it's going to be like more like 50,000 or more. And I already pay a lot of taxes. But anyways, okay, here it is. Oh, and you can also check. Look, I'm going to use the SBAC calculator, and it's 10 to the 12th and 10 to the 8th. So watch, I'm going to put it right there so that I can double check. That one is times 10 to the 12th power, and then divided by that one times 10 to the, what was it, 8th power? Right there. But we rounded it to the nearest hundred. I wonder if they want this hundreds or that one. But see, I did it right and I can check it. Thank you so much for watching this video.